Introducing our AI Lesson Planner, the ultimate tool for streamlining lesson planning for teachers. Let's dive into how you can transform your teaching experience. Step 1. Enter details. Begin by entering your learning goals, grade level, subject, lesson duration, teaching methods, and activities in the respective fields. With the details entered, click Generate to receive an AI-generated lesson plan. Watch as our AI tool crafts a plan based on your specified inputs. Once generated, take a moment to review the lesson plan. If any adjustments are needed, you have the flexibility to edit the text directly in the provided box. If you're feeling creative or looking for variety, click Regenerate to explore alternative versions of your lesson plan. Once satisfied with the lesson plan, click Export or Copy to easily paste it into your document, saving you valuable time. Teach smarter. Use Help Me Teach.